What's going on, everybody? Massive day today. Uh, Finished the day up $30,956. Huge finish to the day. The morning, though, this is probably my best morning all year long. $17,942. Absolutely insane. All of it, AMC, GME, that sympathy play going on. Absolutely nutty. Nutty. I don't expect this. I enjoy it when it happens, but tomorrow back to normal because I don't think it'll happen again. Maybe it will. Who knows? We'll see. Those two are really heating up, so we're going to be playing them until they die. Pretty simple. As always, if you're not aware, I have a Twitch channel where I stream for free all day long. Come join. If you don't know what you're doing in the trading realm, come join. That's what the whole purpose of that stream is, to help new traders out, as well as build a community of traders that help each other find plays, make money, change our lives. That's it. No strings attached whatsoever. So come on in. Besides that, let's get into the trades. All right, so the first trade I'm going to go over is GME. I actually had trades before this, but I forgot to hit the record button in time. So this is like 13 minutes into the day. At this point in the day, I'm up about $1,300. So let's get into this trade here. So the theme here, and by the way, almost all my gains today came from GME. There were some news plays that I got to pop off of, 1,000 there, 1,000 here. But majority of the play was playing GME, sympathy to AMC, and then also GME kind of doing its own thing as well. So until that changes, I'll be doing that tomorrow probably as well. We'll see though. We'll see. Tomorrow might be a dud. We'll see. Let's gap it up right now. So with AMC both gapping up and GME, they were on watch. So what I was looking for here is it sold off out of the get-go, created this little ceiling. We'll mark it. Little ceiling right there. Let me line it up a little bit better. Okay. Dropping back down. Doesn't really flush out or anything like that. So I'm really looking for a move back up. If I'm lucky, high a day. If I'm lucky, pre-market high breaks, all that sort of stuff. So as we start coming up to this level again, this ceiling that we just created from this peak, this resistance level, we get a pullback and then we get a candle over candle. And I go long right when I see that, because I'm saying, all right, pop, pullback, candle over candle, that's going to break a horizontal resistance level like that, I'm in. So I take 40 contracts. The fills are really wide because GME, most of the time, the spreads on these are $1. If you're lucky, you'll get it within 50 cents. Because this thing can move big very quickly, as you'll see later on probably. So 17.95 is my first fill, and 17.60 is my second fill. And they're only 1 second apart. So very big difference on the fills here. Anyway, I get what I'm looking for, and the thing with GME is either it will go hard and fast, or it's kind of just going to give you a pop and then sell off. And this is one of those where it gave you a pop and sell off. Up here, I tried to sell half, and I got a really bad fill. 1770 was my fill. Not happy about that. I got the bid dropped as soon as I hit the sell button, so I didn't make any money on that one. However, as we're approaching high day, I sell through this one, and as it selling off through here, I sell the rest. So 1860, I sell 10 contracts. 1971, I sell 5, and 1880, I sell 5. So a good trade. Okay. No, you dropped the bid on me, E-Trade. You dropped the bid on me. You piece of junk. Okay. Okay, GME is doing its own thing right now. Wow, 1970. Jeez. The fill on that one was awesome. So these next trades here, this one, I'm looking for some breakout levels on AMC that will lead GME to also its major breakout areas. So I take a few losses, a couple, one, two. I don't know how much. I actually haven't reviewed that part of the video yet. But there's I think at least two trades I take that are losses, anticipating that bigger move, and that bigger move, as you'll see, it's humongous. So on this trade, on this next trade on GME, 9:49. Let's go to the right time zone. You'll see that I'm not actually looking. I'm not even looking at GME. GME right here, there's nothing here. I wouldn't normally trade it technically. What I am looking at is AMC. And AMC also gapped up. Basically, what is that? $6? Pretty huge gap for stock that looked ugly on Friday. Pretty huge gap. And today's ripping. That squeezes on, baby. Anyway, so I'm looking for this. Kind of puts in a move up here that I'm. Wait, where am I at? Oops, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong spot. 9:49. Right here. Okay, here we go. So I'm kind of looking at this as, I know it's a 1 minute chart. Reverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, whatever. Regardless, there's horizontals through here that if they break, I'm thinking, okay, here we go. We're going to go. This thing gapped up. It did not sell off, and now we're going high a day. Are you kidding me? That's what I was looking for. And we did get a big pop. We broke this horizontal, which led to this horizontal breaking, which led to this horizontal breaking. Finally, we did get this horizontal break, but it kind of ran out of steam as it's running into the Bollinger Band up here. So when I saw this big move, I went long GME, and I'm staring at AMC while I'm longing GME. That's how confident I am in the sympathy play, that they tend to move together. And unfortunately, by the time AMC or GME got to a point where I was going to be profitable, AMC was going into pullback mode. And I knew that GME would sell off. So I went long. I was green momentarily, but as I was pulling back, I stopped out on GME for the candle under candle, because who the heck knows what's going to happen. And I ended up taking the L on this one. Got in GME 1480, 1489, 40 contracts total, sold at 1430, 1417. GME here with AMC trying to make a push. Got up here. Fills on that GME were trash. There you go. AMC. AMC go. Come on, GME. Come on. Watch Tesla as well. See my pullback here. Ah, jeez. Am I stopping GME? So, again, I'm still anticipating a really big move on GME. I feel in my bones that it's coming, and I'm trying to get the timing of that. What I saw here is a move up to this peak here, almost went high day, big pullback, a pop here, a pullback below this one, right? And it doesn't dump. Like, okay, that's pretty bullish. And then we're going to go back up here. So we're breaking this area. I'm going to go long. Surely this is a bear trap. I'm going to go long through here. So I go long. I take calls, take the 240 calls. I get in at 1520 and 1521. And it just stops. It runs into a wall. I'm looking, you'll see me when I run the review or the live trade, I'm looking off to the side. I'm looking at AMC. I'm wanting to know exactly what AMC is doing, because this thing is mimicking it head to tail right now. So it doesn't go pull back, another candle under candle right here. We kind of set up this little mini support line right through here. Support, 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 candle under candle, doesn't flush out. I'm like, okay, this is it. As it pulls back though, I do sell half of them at 15.18. So basically break even, 2-cent loss, whatever, 40 bucks, that's nothing. And then I'm like, oh man, candle under candle, this didn't dump. This is absolutely going to go candle over candle. I'm going to break this level and break this level and go to the freaking moon. And I added back in at 1550 right there. And it doesn't go. And at this exact same time right here, AMC starts to pull back pretty severely. And I have to have a hard stop. So my hard stop in this case was a break through this level, right there where we created this local low. So as we're breaking this, I sell it all. This was a loss. It was a pretty big loss. It's about $4,000 loss. Actually, a little bit more than that. So 1442 and 1436. But we get it back. We get it back. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. But that's the next trade. Break this 33.80. Go to the moon. What? Wow, Adrian, you are about a 10 seconds slow on that sell. It's great. It's great. So I like. That's why I like super slow fills. It's my favorite. The volume isn't there. I'm anticipating that it comes on the breakout spots. Just trying to hit them. Yeah, we haven't seen that huge volume spike. I agree, but I'm anticipating that it will come. Probably on this 233.80 break. That's my guess. Why is it so wide? Because it's so volatile. They clean. See, this is a failed 1 minute here. There's 2 back-to-back failed 1 minutes. I just want to add. Just want to add. Gotta do it. Not much here. Watch Tesla still. AMC is pulling back a little much here. I'm gonna stop out all of this now. So you trade. Okay. So this trade, real quick, is a news play. I don't even remember what the news was. Oh, I think it was iHeartMedia potential buyout target. This thing shot up real quick and came down real quick. So on these news plays, unless it's substantial, news with evidence confirmed, blah blah blah, a lot of these are pop and drops, and you got to be real quick in and out. So when I heard the news, it was on the 10:02 candle here. Gets a pop up. I get in 24.12, 24.17, 24.17, 2,000 shares each, so 6,000 shares total. So this is where I'm entering in, right around there. So pretty good. Pops all the way to 24.67. I start exiting on the way down. 24.46, 24.48, and 24.30. So nice win. Little news play there. Sweet. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go again. So GME, this is the one where I freaking knock it out of the freaking park here. So when I was watching the clip, I can't remember what I saw that told me to get back into it. It might have been AMC kind of taking a run. Let me go look. AMC, what was it doing at 10:05? Nope, wasn't AMC. All right, so let's try to look at it. 10:05. I think what I was looking at is the fact that you had this candle, this whole kind of build up through here. It failed, flushed me out, I believe, earlier. Yeah, coming back down to these levels really doesn't flush out, and then you got a hard bounce off this, and it was coming back up. I was like, okay, maybe. And I think I drew this line that I just had up there. Not sure, but I was certainly saying, okay, you break these levels, it's got to pop. You got 1, 2, 3 levels. High day, you have pre-market high, and all these levels just ready to rock and roll. It certainly is not falling down. It has to try up to the upside again. So I go long on this candlestick here. I take 40 contracts, I get filled at 1477, 20 of them, and 1405 or 1504, 20 of them. And I get that break that I was finally looking for. And it might have had to do something with a little bit of a diagonal right through there. Maybe. Not quite sure, but you got that horizontal confirmation. Boom, boom, boom. All in one go. Shoots up with volume, right? Big volume coming through with that confirmation. Then everybody's being aware of it and it starts pushing even higher. Breaks high a day, which is this level right here. Gets up into this realm. Pre-market high is way up there, so I marked that one. And where'd it go? Oh yeah, I just marked it. Okay, there it is, right here. That's high a day. There's pre-market high. We break that, and then I'm starting to think, okay, I need to take profit because at this point the trade itself is up like $16,000. It's insane. So I start taking profit, and I took 40 contracts. I exit 30 of them here on this pop. It's like, this is ridiculous. So I exited 20 at $19.48. That's about a $9,500 win just on 20 contracts. 10 of them I sold at $19 basically, so that's another $4,000. And then 2 minutes later, I had 10 left and I was going to play around with those. A 1 minute candle over candle that didn't do much at all. And I was like, okay, I'm getting out the rest. And I sold at 2004 in 1985. Massive win. Took a little time to develop. Finally was in it when it actually went. Made some mad bank. Massive wins for sure. So let me roll that one. All right, here we go again. Piece of junk. Thought I was going to do a 5-minute play. It's about 3 cents. Come on. I feel like seeing the bit. There we go. 9. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 That's what I've been waiting for. Hello. 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 Let's freaking go. That's what we're talking about here. Big level at this, what is it, 37, 237? Pre-market resistance. There's 237. See ya. Boom. Oh, baby. I got still half because this is crazy. I got 10 contracts left. I just made a shit ton of money. Ooh. Now let's see if we get follow through. That's the big thing with GME recently. You get these huge pops and then it sells all the way off. You get follow through on this. Another level here. Another level up here. Let's get rid of this. This did this by itself. It kind of said, screw you, AMC, taking over. So looking at a 1 minute play here. Unless it's just going to, all right, so 241, right? There it is. I'm going to go with that. 1 minute is kind of extended. I'm going to take it all off. So this is what I'm talking about anticipating that volume on these high flyers. Yeah, no volume, right? No volume, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. Boom, it hits the major levels that it needed, and you get that big hit. All right, and this is the last trade. I actually don't have any live footage of this because I forgot when I was streaming to put the recording screen on the stream. This main screen, I had it on a different screen. Whatever, but I can certainly go over the trade. Let's pull that up. Someone else called this trade came directly from chat. I believe 1818. I believe 18. No, this was a news play. This was a news play. 1818. So right here, this volume spike. All this was some news. I heard I took 6,000 shares, filled at 24.33, 24.34, 24.36, sold. As it broke this 50-cent level because the news was not that magnificent at all, as you can kind of see. As the news was finished coming out, it just so sold at 24.48, 24.52, 24.53, and 24.51. So, and that was the last trade I took from the morning. Again, if you have any questions or comments, I'm more than happy to help. That's what I'm here for. It's a free service. It's my way of giving back to the community. I'm up a crap ton of money this year. It is not by chance. I semi think I know what I'm doing. I don't know, but yeah, I want to help new people. I want to help build a community of experienced people to help new people. That's what we're here for. So come on in. Twitch link is down below. See you tomorrow. All right, first hour in the bag, $17,942.